Hi, and thanks for watching. Today I'll be showing you the basics of using an AV system in a CTL classroom. The equipment I'm going to talk about today is mostly standard in a CTL classroom. There may be small variations in the room you are teaching in this semester, but the systems are designed to be similar no matter which room you are placed in. This is the classroom's touch panel. If you don't see one on the cabinet, it may be mounted on the wall. To start the projector, press System On here. This also lowers the screen and adjusts the lighting. This message lets us know the projector is starting up. The touch panel is designed so that everything you see listed here on the left side is a device you can show on the projector, our list of sources. The first item listed is the desktop computer, which most rooms will have. Next, you have the laptop computer. Once you've selected this tab, the page will ask you which cable you'll be connecting to your laptop. By default, HDMI is usually selected, though this room also has VGA and even a USB-C Thunderbolt, though as of right now, these aren't very common across campus. The cables themselves are located here in the cable cubby. This one is the HDMI, and if you are unsure the names of the cables, you'll notice that the connector matches the image here on the touch panel. If you are using the VGA cable, you will also need to connect the 3.5mm headphone cable for audio. If you do not see the connector you need for your laptop, you will likely need an adapter, and you will need to get in touch with your department's IT technician to consult you on which type of adapter you'll need. The next item is the document camera. This room's model looks like this. There are a few different models of document camera in our rooms. The one in your room may look slightly different. They all serve the same function and are very simple to operate. Next is the DVD, CD, Blu-ray player. In this room, it's located here in the cabinet. This is where the desktop computer is located. You can also play DVDs and CDs on the desktop computer, but for Blu-ray disc, you must use the dedicated player. This room also has a button for auxiliary inputs. This can be for a wall panel somewhere else in the room where AV equipment can be connected. You won't need to worry about this button as it's usually reserved for special setups. Now that covers all of our sources. Along the top, we have display, audio, and lighting. All of those buttons allow adjustments to those same named items, but were already adjusted when we pressed the System On button. If your room has microphones, you will see a button for microphone volume. This room has a handheld and lavalier microphone, as well as a gooseneck microphone. So if your room has microphones, you'll adjust the volume on those microphones with these buttons. I'm going to hold this one down. You should see that slider increase. The other volume control here is the main volume. Main volume controls the volume for whatever you are showing on the projector. So if you're on desktop computer, that main volume will raise and lower the volume of the desktop computer. If you're on laptop computer, it will raise and lower the volume of that. With both of these, do make sure that your computer volume is turned up as well. If you get into trouble at any point in your class, you can press the Help button here and get the phone number for classroom support. The Center for Teaching and Learning's number is 542-3456. If there is an issue with the AV system, simply call and let us know if you are in need of technical support. Please stay on the line without hanging up so that you can provide us with as much information as possible, and hopefully we will be able to help you over the phone. If not, we'll send somebody out right away to give you help in the room. When you are done teaching, please remember to power the system down by pressing the System Off button. This helps extend the life of the lamps used in the classroom's projectors. We hope this brief overview was informative and appreciate you taking the time to watch.